Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it and discuss the live streaming and the stocks for today. First of all, let us discuss our disclaimer for today before we go further. Everybody, remember our content here for educational purposes, and of course, we're not financial advisor, so always do you due diligence before you put your money on the line. So, who's ready for today? Today we've got Netflix reporting earnings yesterday after hours. We've got Beyond Meat is still going higher and higher, and many of you feeling FOMO, I think, because Beyond Meat did really great job from yesterday. We did a nice chart for it from yesterday. Once the price was around the $2, we hit the 3. Then today on the pre-market, we discussed Beyond Meat around the 8, and we said the 11 and the 15 are the targets. And now it is around, the 8, and it's pulling back. The other one that we discussed and traded in the pre-market is YYAI. In pre-market, the same. This one was really great in the pre-market for entry around the 14. We broke the 15. We went toward the 17 and 20. And guess what? We hit the 23 cent before the market opened. So we have to adjust the level of support for it and the resistance. For now, we got a little support that we should hold over the 15 cent. This will be a great indicator that the stock will continue this majestic jump. We've got a resistance currently around the 1880, which if we broke it, we might revisit the 23. IRE or AIRE looking fantastically good in the pre-market. For now, as you can see here, just from the chart, we've got escape from the buyers here or the short seller just cover up. We got a huge jump from the 5 cents. We went until right now is $1. We'll see if we hold the 75. Beyond Meat currently holding. Runny, the same holding, but now it's pulling back a bit. Holding over the current support that we already tested in pre-market. I'm lowering the support just in case around the $3.09 for today market. So those the main stocks for today, guys. And BURU, of course, doing fantastically good, testing the 40 cent resistant. Those the main stocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 unicorn. We call them unicorn for a reason. Guys, subscribe and join our channel because we always go live every day. So if you are not one of our subscribers, make sure to subscribe. This is the least you can do to support the channel. Welcome, everybody. So we got George NUAI floor support. I will check it. You asked me this in Discord, of course. Our loose meme unicorn, donut, flowers, and beyond. Martin Apollo, when you say donut and flowers, I think you thinking of you're talking about donuts, about food and flowers. It's kind of funny names. FLWS. Yes, please, everybody, make sure to put the ticker symbol, not the name of the company. Like beyond BY or BEYD, not beyond. Okay, so first of all, George is number 1 on the live chat. So we're gonna talk, or we take his question first, or request the stocks first. NUAI. Let me just double check this one. I think I already checked it early on. Now, 23%, 10% again. The floor, brother, is around the $2.90. This is the first floor, and the second floor is the $2.20. Now is kind of recovering up. The resistance that we should we should break is around the $4.46. This is the critical zone for NUAI in order to go on the top level. Let me double check for today markets. What we've got, what's cooking. The market is cooking, guys. BENF, yes, is coming with BNBX. BNBX, BENF. Let us double check BENF. Yeah, BENF. Oh, we'll keep it on the waiting list. BNBX. Wow, huge pump and dump. This one, I think we got major news coming up. So how 58 million BNB bet sent applied DNA into chaos. Applied DNA, BNBX, we have a huge news regarding the stock. That's why it's pumped and dumped here. We have a huge reverse split this year on June, and other reverse split in March. A lot of dilution for this one, guys. So be careful with this one. There's a big seller around the 7. That's why we got shorted around just below the $7. Okay, I'm gonna lower it here around the 6. So we got the 6 and the 790. This one might be good because yeah, it reversed from the $4.13. So I'm gonna give it a chance for a reversal here over the $4.13. If we held, would be great. So I'm gonna keep it on the list, guys. BNBX. Let us see. We got yeah, donuts or DNUT, FLWS. Yes, confuse BNB crypto with BNBX. YYAI. How everybody doing? Welcome everybody. YYAI, yes, have a huge resistance to break around almost the 19 cents. Donuts is not there. DNUT. Okay, DNUT, not my cup of tea that much. If it broke the 550, I would put it on the main list, but now I'll keep it on the waiting list. FLWS. This one looking a bit interesting here. Yes, sir. Around the 11:30. Voila. Yeah, it looked really great here. Yeah, FLWS might be good for today as well. Keep my eyes closed on FLWS if it broke the current resistance around the $8.87. And BNBX the same. Keep my eyes closed. But the main one is here, BURU looking great, Rani looking great. Beyond Meat, yeah, pulling back a little bit because it's kind of overextended here. Yesterday 146, now 77%. YYAI testing a major resistance currently around the 19 cent. Yeah, what a day, man. We're gonna have a huge day today, guys. I can feel it. I can feel it in my bones, man. Okay, we got 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes left. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. We always go live every day, guys. And before that, on our Discord and Patreon every day to discuss the market and pre-market and during the market opening. Exactly. Thank you, John. Good afternoon, John. How you doing, brother? So today is doing fantastically good. We have some action, guys. YYAI. We have yeah, a huge whale buying this one. The market is open. And yes, so we got Rani, Beyond Meat is pulling back. We got Irie, YYAI, BURU pulling back, BNBX pulling back up. FLWS, I don't like it that much, so I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list. Donuts maybe would be good, but again, the chart, man. If I don't like the chart, I will not trade the stock, guys. Simple as that. So Ronnie might be good as well for today if we broke the current resistance $3.71, which we are near to it. Current support now around the $3.20. So far, so good, guys, for Ronnie. Yeah, it look really interesting for a jump. Beyond Meat is pulling back down, guys, because of course we've got humongous jump just from today pre-market. We did 96%, guys, almost the $9. This is crazy. YYAI just got shorted right around our resistance, the 19, guys. So we're not ready yet for YYAI. Let us go to the stock that have earnings. We got Netflix, guys, have earnings yesterday. Bad earnings this time. The first bad earnings, guys, for this year. This is crazy. The last bad earnings for Netflix was almost 2 years ago, beginning of 2024. This is the latest bad earnings. Now we have bad earnings suppressed down 15%. So I will watch Netflix to go a little bit down around the 1000 to correct. I think would be a really good price here if we went toward the 1000. For now, I will watch Netflix to go further down. Yeah, we got huge seller around the 1184. T-Mobile, the same, it went down, broke the support. It's getting near a nice support, guys. T AT&T. I will keep watching AT&T for a nice reversal. Big seller just came around 2553. Yeah, TNT looking great for a nice dip here around the 2420. Okay, the rest, we got Tesla earnings today, guys, after hours. We're gonna do a chart for it later on our Discord and Patreon. For now, yeah, the market is kind of correcting down. AMD just hugging the resistance around the 244. Plug is hugging the support. Yes, a great support here around $3. Yes, $3 looking fantastic for a support for Plug. What else we got? Let me just check here. Crypto stocks, Mara correcting down, Riot correcting down, Coinbase, Spotify, cryptos, Ethereum is pulling back, Bitcoin pulling back. Yes. So now we're going back to the main lists. IRE is still didn't break the resistance around the $1.39. Let me just check here. Yes, we got a new resistance right now around the $1.21. Going back to YYAI, Wow. YYAI, we have a big buyer, guys, out on the 1480. Now testing the resistance. So YYAI could be a good candidate to trade for today. But the problem is, yeah, there is always, we have a limitation to buy this one. Okay, let us double check the other stocks. We got IRI, could be really great right now. I think it's halted up right now. I think, yes. We got IRI is breaking out. This is the current resistance now for IRI. Around the $1.37, a huge resistance and profit taking. Current support now is around the 99 or over the $1. Rani is pulling back. Guys, I think we're gonna have a correction for many stocks. Rani and Beyond Meat were great yesterday, but today we got a pullback for them. P and BX, again, this one is strong. BMBX looking strong, guys. Okay, BMBX, I think we got shorted as well around the $6. Rani is still currently holding. Beyond Meat, I think we're kind of halted down, guys. So the one that looks strong is Irie and the other one. Be careful, Irie, there's two stocks, one in the United States and one in UK. Uh, BMBX, I think is halted down, guys, because it got shorted around the 612. I'm gonna double check the stock that been halted. BMBX is halted right now, guys, with LUDP reason code. GSIT, the same. Beyond Meat, AMBI. Let's check GSIT. I think we already traded yesterday. Let's see. Yes, it's halted up. GSIT is currently halted up. Interesting. Yeah, we have a nice buyer here. What else we got? I think 1370 should be a good target to watch out for. GSIT is halted up, guys. One of the top gainer, I think, yesterday. Yeah, we got another level around the 21. For now, yeah, we have the $17. Let's see if we hold over the $10, which is psychological level. IRI is looking good toward the $1.37. So I'll put IRI number one. I'm gonna adjust the top stocks from how they look. So we got GSIT, IRI, YYAI, and maybe Rani. So those the top four, and the rest are the other list because Beyond Meat and BNBX is halted down, guys. That's why I put them on the waiting list here. But yeah, IRI is number one because it's about to break. Okay, SBEV, Aman, one of our elite member. SBEV, shout out to Aman, one of our elite member. Thank you for the support, brother, and being elite member on our Patreon, brother. Aman asked about SBEV. Okay, let me just show you what's going on. First of all, it looked perfect that we escaped from this bearish channel, you see? So it is bullish. However, is now testing an interesting resistance around the 274, which kind of we have a fake out. But yeah, yeah. The main resistance it is around the $3.43. So the main thing right now to watch is if we don't have a flush down and a fake out. So the trick is to watch for this current support now over the 252, because if we held it, we're gonna go toward the $3.40 and beyond. So this is for SPEV. It looked okay. So far, so good. Okay, let's see. We got this level, we got that level, and we got that level. Yes. So far, so good. Now it's testing the support, brother, $2.52, or let's say $2.51. If we broke it, will be kind of dangerous play. We need to hold now, brother, if we want to have a reversal. If we went toward the 2.21, I don't like it anymore. If we held the 251 now and reverse would be great for SBEV. So I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list here to check if we hold. Coming back to GSIT, I think is unhalted, tested the main resistance right now around the 1370 and pulling back. YYAI, one of the top stock to go toward the 23. If we went over to 23 or yeah 24, we might squeeze toward the 28. As long as we hold the 14 would be great. YYAI. Ronnie, the same guys, looking fantastic here. If we held over the $3.20, we have the $3.71 to break. Rani, we should keep watching Rani, guys, looking interesting here for a play. Rani looking interesting because it reversed at the market open. So it's not bad move. What GSIT is up. Yes, hello. Can you show your show again? Yes, Victor, Beyond Meat. Go, bro. What's popping, Jesus? Go, bro. I will check it. Beyond halted up, but not down. What a wait a second. Beyond is halted up now. It was halted down, brother. Now it's halted up again. So it halted twice. Once down and once up. Interesting. BNBX is unhalted and holding currently over the support here, over the 480. Beyond Meat, guys, yes, have a huge support over the 483. We have a big buyer for it. That's why it's holding now. I don't like the chart is still undecided. But yeah, Rani is great, man. Rani is really good now. I'm gonna put Rani second, or Rani, I'm gonna put it first because it's about to break here. SBEV guys broke the support. It went to the bottom. So to be honest, I don't like this kind of trend. Even if it reversed now, is too dangerous. But if you want to trade it anyway, this is should be the exit zone and stop loss around the $2.21. And the exit for it for now, I think we have a huge exit around here, the 270. Yeah, 270 and the 3.25. So the 272 is the resistant now for SPEV. BNBX, it looked dicey, but if it broke the 612, I would put it on the main list, but for now it's not that good. BURU, the same, is a bit weak for today. GSIT, IRI, Ronnie, squeezed up. Ronnie looking great, guys. Just hit our profit taken right now around the $3.88. What a fantastic move Ronnie did right now, guys. That's why we put it first. And now we have a support for Ronnie around the $3.48 to hold in order to go higher. Ronnie number one because it hit our level of profit. After that, we have IRI and GSIT and YYAI. BNBX is a bit weaker here. With BURU, SBEV is reversing. So SBEV, it might be good for later, but for now, still a bit weaker. Yeah, plug is broke the support, guys. Plug is going to the second support now around the 274. Yeah, plug it could be good for loading up because it's kind of correcting down. Yeah, it's correcting down now. As a reminder, guys, Ronnie was one of the top gainer list from since yesterday. A man just sold his SPEV with a little profit. Great, man. Chart and open. Yes, it's been a while. Last time we discussed open. I'm gonna check open for you, brother. For open is pulling back. So what I suggest for you, brother, is to wait for open to go toward the 571, which we are near. 7% down for open. So once we dip some more, another 10% or 11% will be perfect, man. Sometimes we never test this support, but this is the safest entry, for my opinion, if you want to enter and buy the dip for open. If we went there, would be great. And yes, so we have to wait for the 570, 580 for entry. And yeah, after that, the reversal should be around yeah, around the $8 is the major resistance now for open, and we might test this resistance after we reverse from here. I'm gonna lower it down a bit around $7.53. This is the current resistance now. $7.53. Yeah, this is for open, brother. Watch out for the support reversal around the 572 and the other one not 495. Yeah, two great reversal zone for open. For now, let us go back to SPEV. Yeah, it's still below the 272 beyond meat. Unhalted. YYAI want to go toward the 23. GSIT pulling back down. IRI pulling back down. Rani just shorted down big time. Okay, Rani is holding the current support 3.48. If we held, would be great for reversal again. Let us double check the main list for today, the main gainers. You see BNBX, man, it broke the first support. Yeah, the only one that did really great is Rani because hit our target. Let me just show you guys. Rani was really great yesterday, man. It was really great. As you can see here, we set the 282 is the profit taken, and now it's $3.80. So we hit the $3.26 and $3.85. And guess what? We hit the $3.87 for today and pulled back. So this short, guys, was from yesterday. Or yeah, yesterday. Yesterday we did the Rani twice. And here once we break the $3.23. So it was really great from yesterday. We're gonna update the chart because right now we kind of broke the support. It's going to the bottom now around the $3.19. So yeah, watch out. We're gonna have a huge pullback for running because we already hit the profit taking. We're gonna do those update later on, not now, guys. Now we watching for the pullback. SPEV, we have a little bit of recovery here. Okay, guys, let's see the question. George, NNE, long time, no update. I will check it right now. My brother George. NNE. Let's see. NNE is like the old friend that you never see in ages, but once you see it, you don't have to tell him how you've been doing because you kind of know what's going on. You don't have to ask the like superficial question like how you doing. I don't understand people asking this question still. Like the first question they ask another human being is how you doing? Like of course everybody will say I'm doing good, even though like a lot of people doing not good, they lie. They just say I'm good. The same with this stock. Going back and just check the chart and is going down, but if you ask the stock how you doing, it will say the same because as you can see here is inside this bearish channel. It's kind of the same routine since October, yes, mid of October, and entered the bearish channel here. So this one will continue to go down, brother, until the 37. After that, we might have a little bit of reversal from the 37 or the 34. If we want to have a reversal, we should have it right now around those two levels. Confirmation for reversal once we break the 43 to go toward the 748. But is a bit light on volume, brother. Is kind of dangerous to enter on this stock because it's missing some news. Beyond halted up, not down. Now we said it's down, then up. Okay, what's popping? John asked about what's the things that is popping. The one is popping was Ronnie, brother, already hit our profit taken around $3.85. Now currently correcting down. So as long as we hold the $3.19 would be great. Irie, disappointed start because we don't have a breakout on the 137. YYAI is still hugging this little resistance. It need to break out to go higher toward the 23. So YYAI could be second now. Beyond Meat lost a bit of momentum, even though the volume is crazy, almost 1 billion, man. But all the action was in pre-market, where we discussed it early on our pre-market watch list on our Discord, guys. We discussed Beyond Meat for the resistance around the $8.80, and for sure we discussed it yesterday once the price was around the $2.26 before the breakout around the 250 and the 290. You see, it was better for entry from yesterday because now after hitting the 880 it lost momentum. GSIT, nothing much. SBEV currently is getting near a major resistance again around the 7 or the 273. We have a big buyer after this huge flush around the 2.20. Those the main stock. Let me double check again if we got some hidden stocks. YYAI, BNF, Beyond Meat, IRIBN, BX, nothing. We got ARCT and ALEC. Top losers. Let us check the top losers for today. We might have a discount. Is like going on Black Friday. Sometimes you get lucky, buy the right dip because the stock is discounted. It's like in America, there is a garage you can buy, but you can't check what inside the garage. You just buy everything inside. And some people get lucky and get like really good treasure inside, like a new set of Nintendo or Pokemon cards or whatever. And they could actually pay 1,000 and the value inside the garage is like 50,000 and sometimes 100K. It's kind of interesting because we don't have this in Europe, you know. That's why I like United States in this kind of stuff because you can make millions by flipping things like this. I don't know if some of you guys did that, like going to garage sale and just buy whole stuff. It's kind of on my to-do list because I think I'm gonna be really good at it. ALEC, no good. ATOM, no good. ARCT might be good, guys. This one might be good. I'm gonna keep it on the list. Ronnie is putting back down. Let us double check again for the trading halt for today. BNF is halted, guys. BENF. I think I put it on the other list. Yes, here. Holy baloney. BENF, guys, just escaped from the $1 and now squeezing up. Guys, BNF is now number one because it's the only stock that jumping up is getting near a major resistance. I expect a pullback now around the 122. Yeah, huge pullback is coming, for my opinion, for the stock. Yeah, this is the last squeezer for today, I think. The market is a bit slow, so this one could be the one. BENF 102 volume wise. ARCT, big dip, bro. ARCT, already checked it, brother. ARCT looking fantastic, brother. If we kind of held the current bottom, which is the $8.60, yeah, would be great. We have a little support now over the 971, and current resistance is the $11. So yeah, this one might be the one to watch. Yes, yeah, the one to watch for today, for a reversal, of course. BNF is still halted, guys. Is getting near the 122 resistant. BENF is the only one that looks strong. Go, bro. Go in Falahala. Okay, go, bro. Let's see. Go, bro. Go, bro. 21%. Oh man, this one is not even Falahala. This is in black hole. It's going to the black hole or another dimension. This one is on another dimension. It's not third dimension, it's fourth dimension. Is not even in our universe. Go, bro. Unexpected jump. I think we got a huge buyer. Go, bro, to pay 8.2 million in counter patent case. Whoa, GoPro wins a patent infringement case against Contour IP. Okay, we have a lot of fights. GoPro just won a case. Holy baloney. This one is crazy news, guys. Look at that. And I think it's been pumping since 25th of August, GoPro. We have a huge jump for it after the earnings and before the earnings. As you can see here, the best jump happened around the 18th of July when GoPro jumped almost 200%. Pull back, another jump here on the 25th of August. So July, August, and now October. We have a lot of buyers now. So GoPro is going on the right direction. We have to be really ready for this jump because it's going really good. But there's one thing here, it's still coding. I don't like the action, the volume wise for this stock. BENF, guys, is unhalted, tested our resistance and pulled back down. Great action for BENF. Yes, George. What a crazy stock. BNF, I will keep it number one still. Ronnie, the same. Number two. YYAI, number three. Then we got GoPro, Beyond Meat, SPEEV. I'm gonna take it from the list. ARCT, I will keep it on the waiting list. GSIT, the same. Okay. IRI, maybe. So yeah, we only have those five, guys. We're gonna update GoPro ultimate target level later on our Discord, guys. Make sure to tune in on our our Discord. We're gonna discuss all the stocks, all the entry zone, all the profit taken on our Discord, guys. And of course, we're gonna have another update for the swing trade for today. Tesla and many stocks reporting earning today. So make sure to put a notification on, guys. If you are one of our Discord members, make sure to put notification on Discord, because we're gonna update like what we did yesterday for Ronnie before jumping toward the $3 territory. We're gonna do a short update like this one, guys. It's really simple. The red line is the support, the orange line is the entry zone, and of course the green line is the profit taken, as you can see here. So we're gonna do day trade on the unicorn hunt. We're gonna do swing trade for the blue chip company that have earnings like Netflix. It was really great to buy the dip around the 1,000. And maybe we're gonna do update for the cryptos, because the last update we did for Dogecoins and the best dip was around the 20 cent here. Once the price dipped there, it was really great entry. So we're gonna do update for this as well. In the meantime, guys, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna do update for BNF because it's doing crazy right now, hitting new levels. Thank you for watching, guys. And see you back by tomorrow as well at the same time, 30 minutes before the market open here. And don't forget to subscribe and put notification on YouTube in order to be notified once we go live. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.